Look at that spark. In a real-world grid-down scenario, that 5,000-degree flame is the only thing standing between you and hypothermia. Most people think they're ready for a SHTF situation because they've got a flashlight and some canned beans, but when the Appalachian winter hits or a Florida hurricane cuts the power for 2 weeks, prepared takes on a whole new meaning. Today, I'm covering 15 essential survival items on Amazon that every prepper in America needs to know about. We field-tested these in the Texas heat and the Montana backcountry to see what actually holds up, and I saved the single most insane one for last. Product number 15 is a literal game-changer that could be the difference between life and death for your family. Don't skip to the end. You need the context on why the rest of this gear matters first. Most people grab a standard school backpack for their bug-out bag, only to have the straps snap the moment they hit the trail with 40 pounds of gear. You need a dedicated 3-day assault pack. This is the QT&QY 45L Military Tactical Backpack. Coming in at around $50, it's built from military-grade 900D polyester. It weighs just 2.89 pounds, features 5 heavy-duty compartments, and is fully water-resistant to keep your electronics dry. Imagine you're 48 hours into an evacuation in the Texas Hill Country. That 180-degree flat opening design means you aren't digging for your headlamp at the bottom of the bag in the dark. The link is in the description below. I'll drop every product in order. Would you rather have a massive 75L ruck that holds everything but slows you down, or a 45L assault pack that keeps you mobile? Why? In a crisis, your heavy plastic water jugs are great, until you have to move on foot and they become dead weight. If you can't carry your water supply, you're stationary. And in a SHTF scenario, stationary is dangerous. The WaterStorageCube Collapsible Container is the fix. For about $15, you get a 5.3-gallon capacity in a BPA-free LDP design. It's odorless, tasteless, and features a reinforced molded handle that won't dig into your palms. If a hurricane hits the Florida coast and your tap water is contaminated, these allow you to store 20-plus gallons in a kitchen drawer until the moment you need to fill up. The link is in the description. Grab a 4-pack before the next storm season. In a long-term grid-down event, do you trust stored water in containers more, or a high-end filtration system for creek water? Hunger isn't just uncomfortable. It's a survival threat that leads to brain fog and bad decision-making when the pressure is on. You need high-calorie, shelf-stable fuel that doesn't require a stove to prep. This Cliff Bar 32-count variety pack goes for roughly $35 and is a staple for any bug-out bag. Each bar packs 9 to 11 grams of protein and organic oats, weighing only 2.4 ounces. They are optimized for sustained energy, not just a sugar spike. If you're trekking through the Rocky Mountains and can't stop to make camp, these give you the macronutrients to keep moving. Link is in the description. Check the current price as these vary. What is the ultimate survival food? High-protein energy bars or MREs with heaters? Which are you packing in your BOB? Lighters run out of fuel and matches get damp, leaving you shivering in the dark when you need fire the most. If you can't start a fire in the rain, you aren't prepared. The Bivy 4-inch Ferro rod is a $12 insurance policy for your life. It's 3/8 of an inch thick, throws sparks at 5,500 degrees, and weighs just 2.1 ounces. It will last for thousands of strikes. Picture yourself in the Pacific Northwest. Everything is soaked. This rod will ignite tinder that a Bic lighter can't even touch. The link is below. Every kit needs at least 2 of these. Is the Ferro rod the ultimate fire starter, or do you prefer a magnesium block? Tell me which one you've actually practiced with in the rain. Most camp sets are flimsy one-person kits that can't feed a family or survive a real campfire's heat. If you're bugging out with your family, you need a kitchen that's as tough as your gear. The Stanley Wildfire Core 26-piece set is the gold standard, priced at around $110. Made of 18/8 stainless steel, it weighs 6.9 pounds and includes a 4-quart pot and an 8-inch fry pan. Whether you're at a base camp in the Appalachian Trail or stuck in a vehicle during a winter grid down, this set handles real cooking for 4 people. The link is below. Every kit needs at least 2 of these. Is the Ferro rod the ultimate fire starter, or do you prefer a magnesium block? Tell me which one you've actually practiced with in the rain. Quick pause. I want to show you something. Over 95% of you watching right now are not subscribed to Gear Lab. That means you found this video, you're watching this survival intel, but you're going to miss the next drop, the Amazon deals, the hidden gear finds, the crisis alerts we share with the crew only. The Prepared community is built by people who show up. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and drop a comment saying crew so I know you're in. Let's get back to the gear. If your 3-day bag isn't big enough for a full 72-hour sustained crisis, you're going to end up leaving life-saving gear on the floor. For heavy-duty hauling, you need maximum modularity. The CVLIFE 60L Tactical Backpack is a beast of a bag for around $60. It weighs 3.9 pounds and features a 4-in-1 design where the front and side pouches are fully detachable. Imagine a grid-down trek through the Appalachian Trail. You can drop the main 60L ruck at base camp and use the detachable fanny pack for a quick scout for water. Every single product in this video is linked in the description in numbered order. Just scroll down and tap the number. Would you rather have one massive 60L compartment or a modular system with detachable pouches like this CVLIFE? Why? Most people realize they need medical gear only after the bleeding starts, and at that point, it's too late to go shopping. In a bug-out situation, a small scratch can turn into a life-threatening infection if you don't have the right tools. The Rhino Rescue Small First Aid Kit is a professional-grade setup for just $20. It weighs a mere 0.45 pounds and packs 79 critical items, including a tourniquet and an emergency thermal blanket, into a waterproof nylon pouch. If you're navigating debris after a Tennessee tornado, this kit clips right to your pack for instant access to trauma supplies. Tap the link below. At this price, there's no excuse not to have one in every vehicle. Is it better to buy a pre-made kit like this or build your own from scratch? What's the one item most kits forget? In a survival scenario, poor hygiene kills just as surely as the elements. Dysentery and staph infections are real threats when the water stops running. You can't always waste precious drinking water just to wash your hands. That's why these Wet Ones antibacterial wipes are a bug-out essential. For about $25, you get 200 total wipes. The pack weighs 2 pounds total, but the individual 20-count travel packs are pocket-sized and feature wet lock seals to prevent drying out. Whether you're processing a kill in the field or cleaning up after a day of clearing storm debris in Florida, these eliminate 99.99% of germs instantly. The link is in the description. Don't overlook the boring gear. It's what keeps you in the fight. In a long-term SHTF event, would you prioritize stockpiling soap or antibacterial wipes? Which is more practical? A high-lumen tactical light is great, but once those CR123 batteries are dead, you're holding a paperweight. You need a light source that doesn't rely on a supply chain that might not exist tomorrow. The Simpeak 2-pack flashlight gives you 2 units for under $20. Each light weighs only 86 grams and offers 200 lumens of light, powered by a hand crank or solar panel. Just 60 seconds of cranking gives you 10 minutes of light. Perfect for a Montana winter night when your main batteries have frozen. Check the description for the link. These prices change without warning, so grab the 2-pack now. Hand crank or solar? Which charging method is more reliable when you're 10 miles deep in the backcountry? If your water bottle cracks in your pack, it doesn't just lose your hydration. It soaks your clothes and sleeping bag, which can be a death sentence in the cold. You need a container that is virtually indestructible. The Nalgene Sustain 32 ounces wide mouth is the industry standard for about $16. It weighs only 0.4 pounds, is BPA-free, and can handle temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. You can pour boiling water into this bottle to use as a bed warmer in a North Carolina winter, and it won't leach chemicals or melt. Every product is linked in numbered order below. Just scroll down and tap the number. Single-wall stainless steel or Trident plastic? Which is the better survival bottle material and why? You can also find our complete vetted gear collection at gearlabofficial.com. Everything we review is curated and organized in one place, so you can build your loadout with confidence. We are halfway through. Drop a comment right now with your top pick so far. I read every single comment. Your pick helps me know what gear matters most to this community. Now, the next 5 picks are where it gets truly insane. Information is your most valuable asset in a crisis. Once the cell towers are congested, and the internet goes dark, you're flying blind without a way to hear emergency broadcasts. Most people rely on their car radio, but you can't stay tethered to a vehicle when you need to move. The FosPower NOAA Emergency Radio is a $35 powerhouse that ensures you're never out of the loop. It weighs just 10.9 ounces and features a quad-power architecture, solar, hand crank, AAA batteries, and a 2,000 mAh internal power bank. Whether you're hunkered down during a North Carolina hurricane or bugging out on foot, this unit gives you NOAA weather alerts and a 1W tactical flashlight in one. The link is in the description. Grab one for your home and one for your bag. In a total blackout, do you trust a hand crank radio more or a dedicated solar panel setup? Rechargeable gear is great until you've had 4 days of cloud cover and no way to crank. If you don't have a physical battery stockpile, your high-tech survival tools are just expensive paperweights. Cheap batteries leak and ruin your gear. It's a mistake you only make once. This Energizer MAX 48-count combo pack goes for roughly $30 and is the ultimate power insurance. You get 24 AA and 24 AAA cells with a massive 12-year shelf life, weighing only 1.25 pounds total. If you're managing a winter grid-down situation in Montana, these alkalines handle temperature extremes that kill lithium batteries. The link is in the description. I'll drop every product in order so you can stock up now. For long-term preparedness, do you prefer stockpiling alkalines like these or investing in high-end rechargeable envelopes? Your voice will give out in less than 30 minutes if you're shouting for help. And in a high-wind scenario, you won't be heard more than a few yards away. Signaling is often the difference between being rescued and being missed. The Luxo Gear Emergency Whistle 2-pack is a $10 lifesaver. These are peeless, meaning they won't freeze or jam, and they blast a piercing 120 decibels that can be heard up to a mile away. If you're separated from your group in the thick brush of the Pacific Northwest, this high-impact ABS whistle is your loudest voice. The link is in the description below. I've got one of these on every single pack in my house. For an emergency kit, is an audible signal like this whistle more important than a visual signal like a glass mirror? A standard space blanket is basically a loud, crinkly kite that blows away in the first gust of wind, leaving you exposed to hypothermia. If you can't trap your body heat, you aren't going to survive the night. The Sierra Madre Emergency Sleeping Bag is a $20 upgrade that actually stays on you. It weighs only 6 ounces, is fully waterproof and windproof, and reflects 95% of your body heat. If your vehicle slides off a snowy road in the Rocky Mountains, this Bivy sack creates a thermal barrier that keeps you alive in sub-freezing temps. Every single product is linked in numbered order. Just scroll down and tap the number. Would you rather have a lightweight Mylar Bivy like this or a bulky wool blanket in your vehicle's emergency kit? And now, the one I promised you at the start. This is product number 15, and it is the single item on this entire list I would grab first if everything went wrong tomorrow. Most people think of cordage as an afterthought, but without it, you cannot build a shelter, you cannot trap food, and you cannot repair your gear. This is Paracord Planet 550 Type 3 Paracord. For about $12 for a 100-foot hank, you are getting the Swiss Army knife of survival materials. This isn't the cheap survival cord you find at big box stores. This is American-made, features a 550-pound tensile strength, and has 7 inner nylon strands that can be stripped out for emergency use. Imagine you're deep in the Appalachian backcountry. Your pack strap snaps, you need to rig a tarp for a sudden storm, or you need emergency fishing line to get dinner. This one roll handles all of it. You can even use the inner strands for sewing gear or as emergency sutures if things get truly dire. This is the ultimate utility tool. At $12, this is the easiest investment you'll make this year. The link is in the description. Grab it now before the next crisis drives prices up and supplies down. That is 15 of the most essential survival items on Amazon right now. Which one are you ordering first? Tell me in the comments. I want to see your loadout. If this video helped you find something that could save your life or your family's life, smash the like button and share this with one person who is not prepared. You might save more than your own life. Also, for our Spanish-speaking community, check out GearLab ESP for specialized content in your language. Subscribe to GearLab for weekly gear intelligence. Stay prepared, stay sharp. I'll see you in the next one.